Ateteri a gikombe gĩa Kenya Cup mubira wa gonya KCB muthenya wa ruciu magakorwo magietha mweke wa gatano wa kuingira thiini wa finals rĩrĩa matanyitwo kunyita ũgeni endia maguta Menengai Oilers kuma kuria Naikuru. Mbitika ĩno ĩgakorwo arĩ ya gũcokeranwo gwa semi-final ya kĩmera kĩa mwaka wa 2020-2021 rĩrĩa KCB magũthire Oilers na point 23-19.
The big thing that we are going out, we are going to play our best. We are going to get time to be able to expose most of the players that we have and to be able to express ourselves to the best of our knowledge. We have worked very hard. We are lucky enough we played Oilers recently and we saw what they could do as a team and what they were able to bring us a package. We have worked very hard. We have gone back to the drawing board. We have worked on the things that didn't work for us when we played them last.
Semi-final ĩngĩ ĩgakorwo ĩgĩthakanwo rũciũ nĩ gatagatĩ ga Kabra Sugar nao magakorwo magĩetha mweke wa gũkinya final kuona magacemania na imwana cia Strathmore kihaaro-ini kia ASK mwena wa Kameme.
Getting a win out of Kabras is something that I know has raised the morale in everybody in the team and it has taken us to another level.
And going forward, on Saturday, things are going to be different. Just come expecting a very good game.
Kũngĩ njoru wa Mbitika cia Commonwealth gũikia itimu gatagatĩ ka mwaka wa 2012 na 2014 Julius Yego augĩte muthako wake ũkoretwo ũgĩcoka na thĩ nĩ ũndũ wa wagi wa iharo ũndũ ũmwe na indo cia meharĩria.
At the moment I don't think I'll be able to compete on the grass considering that our stadiums mostly doesn't have the tartan track and which is very good for throws and sprints, and to me I'm looking forward to competition in Nairobi because that is the only place we have the tartan tracks. I can't just go and compete just to please people.
Yego augĩte thengia wa kũrehera bũrũri ngũga nyingĩ cia gũikia itimu ministry ya mathako ndĩkoretwo ĩkĩrũmbũyania na mũthako ũyũ gĩtũmi kĩnene kĩa mũthako ũyũ gũkorwo gĩkururia.
We have a long season, we have the World Championships and we have the Commonwealth Games, so I have to balance my training to make sure that I will be able to compete in those two highest level competitions at the highest level.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV njĩtagwo Kuria wa Ngucanio.